This is Alicia with the Desert Winds, and to kind of wrap up our how-to crochet videos, I'm going to show you the slip stitch. And this one is a little unusual and a little harder to understand, or at least for me it was, so I'm going to try and take this nice and slow. With the slip stitch, you're going to take your needle, go through the hole, wrap around, and that's actually going to go through everything. It's going to go through the hole, and that same is going to go through your original hole. Goes around and goes through both loops. And this creates barely anything, almost nothing on top of it, but it is sometimes the best way to make kind of invisible stitches as you're going and doing large groups, and then you want to make it look like there's nothing and then put in more groups. Slip stitches make it really easy to do that, also to connect rows whenever you're doing patterns that are circular. But there you have single crochet, double crochet, triple crochet, and the slip stitch.